माय डियर फ्रेंड्स, दोस्तों, आपको हमारे चैनल में स्वागत है। दिस इज़ ए वीडियो ट्यूटोरियल फ्रॉम विद्यासागर क्लासेस टू फाइंड आउट द क्यूब्स and cube roots. So friends, the very first thing you have to remember is the cubes from 1 to 10. This is a must remember. The cube of 1 is 1, the cube of 2 is 8, cube of 3 is 27, cube of 4 is 64, cube of 5 is 125, cube of 6 is 216, cube of 7 is 343, cube of 8 512, cube of 9 729, and cube of 10 is 1000. So let's come back to our problems. Let's first find the cubes. First find the cube of 23. How to find it? There are 3 steps in this process. We will do step number 1. The step number 1 is you have to write the cube of tens digit. 2 cube is 8. And here you have to write the cube of the units digit. Cube of 3 is 27. Now what to do? The square of tens digit into units place. Square of tens digit means 2 2s are 4. Square of 2 into the units digit, and then we have to do square of units digit into tens digit. Then what is there? 4 3s are, we have to write 12. 3 3s are 9, 9 2s are 18 over here. This is the very first step. Now what to do? The second step is you have to double this. Whatever you have written out here, you have to double it. 18 18 2s are 36, and 12 2s are 24. Now what? Now just add them. Here you have to write 27. Now this 18 plus 36 is equal to 54. 12 plus 24 is equal to 36. And here you have to write 8. Now what to do? Only to write the units digit over here and carry on the next. So 7 is over here. Carry on this 2 over here. Add it. So this is 56. Write 6 over here. Carry on 5. 36 plus 5 is 41. Write 1 over here. And then add this 4. 8 plus 4, 12. So 12167 is the cube of 23. This is the way of finding the cube in a faster method. This is a very fast method. If you practice in a traditional way of 23 into 23, then again into 23, it will take a longer duration than practicing this way. Since I had explained to you in this way, it will seem that this takes a longer time. But no, it doesn't. Coming to another one, let's do cube of 45. In a similar process, we will do cube of 4, 64. Here we have to write cube of 5, 125. Now 4 4s are 16, 16 5s are 80. 5 5s are 25, 25 4s are 100. Now what to do? Double it. Double of this is 200. Double of this is 160. Isn't it? Now add them. This is step 3. This is 300. This is 240. This is 64. Now what? Now this. So write 5 over here. Carry on this 12. 300 plus 12 is 312. Write 12 over here. Carry on 31. 240 plus 31 is 271. Write 1 over here. This is 27. 64 plus 27 is 91. So write 91 over here. So 91125 is the cube of 45. That's the way we have to find the cubes. Now what are the ways of using these cubes? In competitive exams it will come like this, any kind of thing. Suppose you have to find the volume of cube. Volume of cube is equal to a cube, means side cube. Now suppose if side is given as 45, if the side is 45 centimeter, you can easily find out this. Therefore a cube is equal to 45 cube, that is 91125 centimeter cube. This will be the answer. To find volume of sphere, here also you have to use this. This is 4 by 3 pi r cube. Here also r. If r given is 23, then first you have to find the r. The cube of r is 12167 cubic centimeter. And 4 by 3 into pi, whatever the pi is, 22 by 7. So these are the ways. Also in case of compound interest, the amount at compound interest is A is equal to P into 1 plus R by 100 to the power n. N means number of years. So here n can be a cube, 3. If n is equal to 3, then you have to use the cube again, isn't it? So this is the way of writing cubes, utilizing cubes in your daily life. Now we are coming to the cube root. How to find the cube root? Now as you remember this, again we come back to this. From here we can easily know if the last digit is 1, then if the last digit of the cube root we have to find is 1, then our answer will be 1. The last digit of our answer will be 1. If the last digit to find the cube root is 4, our answer's last digit will also be 4. If the last digit is 5, then our answer for the last digit is 5. If last digit is 6, then answer for the last digit is also 6. If it is 9, our last digit for the answer is also 9. These remain unchanged. These values, they do not change. 1, 4, 5, 6 and 9. They do not change. The changes are only in 2 and 3. Now if it is 2, if the last digit is 2, then the answer's last digit is 8, and vice versa. If our last digit is 8, then the answer's last digit is 2, vice versa. Similarly, if the last digit is 3, then our answer's last digit is 7, and again vice versa. If the last digit of this question is 7, then answer's last digit is 3. So let's do some of them, then we can show you. Now suppose we have to find out the cube root of 389017. We can do it in very fast way. Now here the last digit is 7. So the answer will be, the last digit will be 3. Now leave this. You have to leave this part. These 3 digits you have to leave. Now consider these 3 digits. 389. Now 389, according to this chart, 389 is just after 216, 343, isn't it? It comes before 512. When it comes before 512, you have to take this 7. If it comes after 512, then you have to take 8. So since it is 389, we can take it as 7. So the answer is 73. So cube root of 389017 is 73. Now coming to another part, another question. You have to find the cube root of, say, 185,193. Again we are coming over here, 193. So 3 is for 7. 7 is our last digit. Leave this part, come to this part, 185. 185 is before 216. 216 is the cube of 6. So we have to take 5, 57. Therefore answer is 57. Isn't it prompt? We can do it in very fast method. Next is this. We are coming to 42875. Here the last digit 5, so our answer remains 5, no change. Leave this part, come to this 42. Now 42, we know that cube of 3 is 27 and the cube of 4 is 64. So 64 is after 42. We have to take that number which comes before 42. Before 42 is 27, so that means this is 3. So answer is 35. This is the way we can do it so fast. Again another one. So many problems we can do like this. If the problem is 970299, last digit 9, last digit 9 is unchanged, it is 9. Here we come to 970. 970 is after 729, but before 10 cube, that is 1000. So it will be 9 over here. That means answer is 99. So this is the way we can do it so fast. So thanks a lot, and please like and share this video to as many people as possible. Please subscribe my channel. Thank you.